You're watching Ashura in Amsterdam. Today I'm back again with health and wellness. So today I'd like to take you through what you need to start that healthy living wellness lifestyle you've been asking me all about. So before you start thinking about starting your smoothies, trying to get healthy, get into being healthy, you have to think about investing in 3 to 4 items before you start that. Because if you're a girl on the go like me and you don't have too much time to be cooking all the healthy meals and to be making all those nice wellness recipes, you need to invest in a few things to make it easy for you. So today I'm going to show you those 5 things you need to use in order to enjoy that nice healthy wellness living lifestyle. So you will need, first of all, to invest in a blender. You need to invest in a blender. Here I have myself a blender from KitchenAid, but you can buy a blender from any company. As long as it works for you, it will work. So invest in any blender you feel you can afford and you feel you can use at your convenience. Second thing you'll need some ice trays. You'll need some ice trays. I prefer the ones made from silicone, but other ice trays, all ice trays can do. I prefer the ones made from silicone because they can tolerate both conditions. They can tolerate heat and they can also tolerate cold stuff. So if you put in soup, warm soup, they won't burn down like the plastic ones. They will still accommodate the warm soups. Or if you put in warm water, it will still, and they're really great. They're flexible and they're great and they're not so expensive. So think about the silicone ice trays. You can also take the plastic ones. It's no fuss. And the other thing you'll need are some microwave bags. I don't have them here to show you, but the microwave bags have saved me a lot of time, because when I want to store my fruits in ice, I just get it, and I don't have lots of ice trays. I just use the microwave bags to put in all my ice, and then I put my ice in my fridge, and then I continue my day, and then I have that, for next time. If I want to store some food, I can store that, some leftovers in the microwave bags, put it in the freezer, and then I'll, warm it up, and then I'll eat it later. The other thing you need to invest in, maybe you don't need to invest in and you already have it already in the kitchen, is a microwave. Because if you have a microwave, anything you have, you can, just warm up and use in your food. So the other last thing I think you should think about is grow your own food. Try to grow your own herbs, grow your own fruits, and grow your own stuff. So it's now spring and it's almost summer, and the weather is just getting, the weather is getting up and warm and running. I think it's time to think about going to the garden center and get those herbs you think you want to use and those vegetables you think you need to use in your wellness recipes, and get gardening and try to wait for them to, maybe they'll take 2 months, maybe 1 month. And if you can't garden, go to your local supermarket. They have all these things. Here I'll show you. Recently I didn't grow this, but I went to my local garden store and I went to my supermarket. They have things like pumpkins. They have things, you can buy like things like courgettes, They also have like avocados, and then you can do this, you don't have to, you don't have to grow everything yourself. You can also, they also have basilicum. I prefer to grow it myself, but if you can't grow it, you can also buy the ones that was already growing in the supermarket or in your garden center, and then just put it in your kitchen, use it, and when it's done, and then you're ready to go. I hope the 5 essentials have given you will help you start a healthy living and wellness lifestyle for your health and help you, get in shape. And the other bonus tip is, do not forget to exercise. You can eat all these healthy meals, but do not forget to exercise. Exercise is part of the program too. But stay healthy and stay tuned, and don't forget to check videos on health, on recipes that I give you to improve your health and wellness style. And leave me comments below. Tell me about your health and wellness lifestyle, and send me your questions, and like this video, share it, and stay tuned and catch you next week.